to remove the back tire off of this 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C50. I just picked up a new rear tire. It's a Pirelli, and about time to get out and start riding this. The weather's starting to look nice. So I'm gonna go change my clothes and then we'll start taking this apart. So what we're gonna do now is I've got the axle right here, and we're gonna come around the other side, pull that cotter pin out of there, loosen that bolt, and remove the brake arm, and then we'll push that axle out and pull the tire off. So here we go. We're going to loosen that bolt right there, taking that bolt off right there for the axle so I can take the rear tire off. And I'm going to pull those nuts off right there, which will then remove the tailpipe of the exhaust, and then I'll be able to get to that bolt. That's a 22mm socket. So I'm actually going to put that on. Okay, so I'm just knocking this bolt out now. See right there why it needs to be changed, because there's no tread left on that tire. Bald. Okay, I've got the new tire put on there on the rim. Put it all back together the same way we took it apart.